There's been a lot of thought about wheels on this truck. I've done quite a lot of research relating to these rims which have got the beads in them, split rims. I think they're not technically called split rims, that they've got this locking ring which goes in there. This rim comes off. People call them Widowmakers. They're dangerous, and if the tyre deflates they can explode, stuff like that. I watched Matt's video on Diesel Creek. I think he's calling his grader Christine. He swapped out the tyres on that, and you chained them all up so that when you're inflating them they don't explode, because you have to use a cage. I have found a company which will, a tyre fitting company which will install them, but I've looked and found online in the UK, and the price of the tyres, which are pretty much like these ones, will cost like £300 for one, and I'm like, geez, that's a lot of money. I wanted to have the Detroit Steel smoothies. Availability is crap. You can email them and they won't get back to you. Emailed them like 3 times. Found Hants Tyres have got a set coming in which are 18-inch, and you can get tyres for those. That would be fine. But once I've bought tyres, I'm going to be into it for £3,000, and I got these really nice trailer wheels. So these are trailer wheels, and they fit perfectly. They don't foul where the steering arm is. So they come out more. They've got a bigger backspace, so they actually sit further out on the truck. And although the wing isn't fitted, you can see that they fit out quite nicely. They look quite cool. And I actually got these from the UK, so I've figured out that I can get these trailer wheels for $50 each from Canada, brand new, and they're pretty much these. They might have round holes, not triangles, and then shipping would be another $750, and then I would be looking at buying tyres for them after that. But I got these from Jim down in Essex, and let's just say they didn't cost anywhere near that. And they've got tyres on there which are, these are 2012 tyres, so I'm happy to put those on the road and use them. I'm going to have them demounted and powder coated, a different colour, probably slate, but overall I'm really pleased. I did buy these Steels off a GM. I went over to Bristol, met a really cool guy actually. He's got a nice van. You should be seeing some footage of that in the background. He's a really nice chap. He sorted me out with some door handles, some extra door handles which are like these, and some rings for the headlights. I did buy some brand new stainless steel ones, but the ones he gave me are, actually I've got them right here. I guess you'd say that these have got patina, whereas the ones I've got are completely snafu'd, they're done. I quite like original parts, but regardless, I got those. So I've got the steel wheels. They're from a 80s GM, and they just don't fit. They foul on those steering arms which I showed you on the other one. I was kind of confident that they would fit. And they don't.
No?
No, they don't clear. So yeah, it's hitting that knuckle. It's exactly what people said it would do. So yeah, that's kind of like, the bolt pattern is 6.5 inch by 8, so there's 8 bolts. The later GM, I don't know when they swapped over, probably in the late 90s, the Silverados and Hummers and things like that, which are 8 bolt, they're a different PCD, so they won't fit. Apparently early Ford wheels, which are single piece, will fit. It's all to do with the offset and things like that, and I couldn't find any videos or real information without searching high and low on the forums. And if you're going to commit to buying a bunch of stuff from America or Canada, you really want to know that it's going to fit. So if you've got a 3/4 ton with 8-bolt wheels, and you're wondering what wheels you can put on it, buy trailer wheels. That's the cheapest. 16-inch rims will fit over the drums, they'll fit over the steering arms. Of course, if you go for 17, 18 or even 19-inch wheels from Detroit Steel, they'll fit as well, but you'll be looking at paying £300 or £400 each for those. And I never really liked these Wellers, but I think they look awesome. I think they're going to look really good in the slate colour I want, and then I'm going to paint the centres a nice colour, well, black. I want to get some bigger bolts. I might even change the studs as well. I'm putting disc brakes on the front, so if they're thicker than the drums, then I might need to replace those as well. But like, I'm just going to leave these exactly like they are. I don't want to change them or cover them up with a hubcap. I did try a hubcap on. It looks pretty weird, and it's not deep enough to cover this. I bought these because, well, they come up so rarely. I thought, oh, 8-bolt, I'm going to have those. £20 for the 2 wheels, and they're 15-inch rims. So they're useless really. But then I had the thought that I could make a really cool trailer using them. So all I need now is an axle, I guess. Just missed out on an axle just like this one from the same place the tyres came from. Apparently the axle went really quick.